All right, kids. I got to tell you, I looked at this puzzle and I didn't know where to go. I'm looking and I'm going to go forward two, and then I'm going forward four, and then I'm going forward six. I'm like, okay, and then I'm going forward five. Like, all right, now I'm not getting it. And then I thought, you know what? We don't have to decide how to go forward if we use a different kind of function. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to use variables, and I'm actually going to throw the function away this time uh, because I can. So I'm going to go with the variables, and we're going to start with set I, and we'll put I in as one. Right? We're starting with one. Okay. So we're going to use that I function to do all of the nectar, but we're going to do it moving forward differently. Okay. So let's put a loop in, and we're going to set that loop to 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we're going to do four different collections here. So everything we're going to do, we're doing four of them. All right, so I'm going to put another loop immediately, and I'm going to use, instead of a repeat, I'm using a while path ahead do, right? And while there's a path ahead, I'm going to move forward. When there's no longer a path ahead, then immediately I'm going to turn right. That way I'll have that taken care of. I won't have to think about it again. All right, what's next? Well, I'm going to need another loop, and this one is going to be a repeat, and we're going to repeat it I times, and that is going to be, I need to make honey. Make honey first, then get nectar. All right, and after that, I'm going to need to move forward one block, or one space, and then again, I'm going to need another repeat loop with I in there as my variable. All right. And now once I've done that, that becomes my get nectar loop. And once I've gotten nectar, what does I need to do? Well, I need to change my variable, right? So I'm going to do a variable, and that is set I to, and I'm going to get my math function, and I'm going to bring that in, and I'm going to change that one out for another I, and then I'm going to add not one this time, but now I'm adding two. Right? So again, four times I'm going to move forward while there's a path, and once there's no longer a path, I'm going to turn right. Then I'm going to make my honey, move forward, and get my nectar, and all of that is based on my variable. Once that's done, I'm moving forward until there's no path. There we go. And I'm going to turn right, and this time I is 3 because I added 2 over here. And I'll get all that, and then 5, and then 7. Let's run it and see if it works. All right. That worked. So that's good. That wild path ahead is helping. All right, everything's working well there. Look at that. Solid gold. All right, we did it. And again, to me, this one was a little bit tougher than even the challenge puzzle, but that's to me. It might not have been tougher to you. So that's puzzle 7. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, puzzle 8 is you answering questions. So read that code carefully and get a good answer. All right, we'll see you.